Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you one of the common ways to get rid of brake squeal, especially if you have brake pads which are absolutely fine and brake discs which are absolutely fine. So we're going to be installing something called a brake fitting kit. These are metal clips that sit on the top and bottom of your brake caliper and which house the brake pads themselves. These are like metal clips that sit inside which act as rails to allow your brake pads to slide forward and backward when you apply the brake pedal. These are really important as they have to be moving freely and smoothly. A lot of the times these don't get changed and they rust out really easily. So ideally they should be changed every time you do your brake pads, but they're one thing that's commonly not changed whenever brake pads are done. So I recommend if you're having brake squealing issues, you want to take these out and have a look to see what they're like. So what we're going to do is jack up our car, get some jack stands underneath, take the wheel off, and we're going to undo the two bolts which are holding in the top clamp of the brake caliper. So these are the bolts that bolt in to where the guide pins are. So we're going to remove those two bolts as I'm showing here, and we're going to take the top part of the brake caliper off. Once we've done this, we'll have access to our brake pads. Then you want to remove the two brake pads from each side of the disc, and then you'll be able to see on the top and bottom, you'll see the clips themselves or the brake fitting kit themselves. All you want to do is simply hold them and give them a sharp pull and they should pop out. This is how they are for most cars. Some cars you may have to take off the entire caliper to get to them, so please check in your owner's manual or your workshop manual to see how it's done on your car. But majority of cars are like this, where you just pop them out and you can push the new ones in. So what you want to do is get yourself a wire brush, and you want to brush down the surfaces on which these sit, because a lot of the times you can get a buildup of rust and all types of gunk. So you want to make sure that you brush these down. Once these are brushed down, you can fit in your new ones as I'm showing here. Most brake fitting kits will come with a pack of grease which you can apply to the surfaces that the brake pads sit on to ensure you have a nice smooth movement of the brake pads. So make sure you apply this grease in those areas. Do not get any grease on your brake discs. Make sure you keep them clean, and if you do get any on there, clean it with brake cleaner. You don't want any grease on your discs or pads, just on the surfaces that the pads touch on top of the actual brake fitting kit. While you're working on your car, you might have a nice friendly stray cat come and give you a visit. So if they do come and give you a visit, make sure you give that cat some biscuits to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope if you're having brake issues or brake squealing issues, I would definitely recommend giving this a go, or at least inspecting them to see if they're rusted through or damaged. This could remedy your issue. And also, even if you're not getting any issues like squealing or any braking issues, I still highly recommend that you change these out, because they're just going to make your brakes move a lot more efficiently and a lot more freely, and it's going to improve your braking system of your car. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you let everyone know about my channel as well, and definitely we'll see you in a future video. If you have any recommendations or comments, please leave them down below, and hopefully see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.